what we can sell on Amazon, and I found crystal candle holder. The price is good, $89. And if we calculate a margin, we can go to Amazon revenue calculator, and all what we need is ASIN of this product. For example, we go here and we can copy ASIN here. Just copy this ASIN, go to revenue calculator, paste, search, and now we need to find out the cost of manufacturer. And for that task we go to, for example, Alibaba, crystal candle holder, and we can find something like that. Maybe like this. The price is $4.28. I don't know exactly. I think it's for one piece, not for free. For example, if it $4.28, just assume $5, but we can negotiate. 5 multiply 3, $15. And we want to know if Amazon will fulfill our orders. So we go here and cost of goods sold, for example, it's $15. And for example, we will spend about $5 to sell this item, so we can change to $20. Margin $51. We don't know exactly how much shipping cost. For example, if it's we can find out the white. Um, 378 kilograms. So for example, if 1 kilo shipping is 1.5, it's $6 for this set. So we can add $6, 26, and margin will be 44. This is approximately a calculation, so you need to do your own research. And also we can help you to find to launch your Amazon products on Amazon. So we can find a product niche, negotiate with supplier. We can find the best quality and the best price. We can set up Amazon advertising, everything, photo, listing, description, everything. So just send me message below this video, and we can calculate the price. We can work with only 7% of sales, so you only pay if you are happy with our work. No contracts. We charge only one time fee to start working with us. So send me SMS message, and we can discuss everything.